The beach is calling. I must go.
I think it's time for a trip to the beach. Boat, coconut trees, ocean breeze, salty air.
Sun-kissed hair, the endless summer take me there.
I followed my heart and it led me to the beach.
Happiness comes in waves.
Beach more, worry less. I am happy anywhere I can see the beach. Sometimes, you just need a break, to a place you love. To get away from everything. Nothing soothes the soul like a walk on the beach. Time spent at the beach is never wasted.
Because there's a beautiful beach. The sound of waves crashing on the shore is one
of the most relaxing sounds on earth.
The finely sand is a powder.
Every time I step on the beach, it makes feet comfortable and soft. A crystal clear water consists of the smell
Find me under the coconut trees. Just look at the sky and smile. Get away from it all, find your peace on the beach.
I want to run the beach's length, because it never ends.
A coconut or line threw out of the beach. and move together with wind causes the beautiful melodic from nature.
Life is short. Find what makes you happy and go there.